Us, personally, Petra explained. After we meet the artist, we do that with everything we collect. She favored the girl with a cool smile. Eric said, maybe I like this better, pointing to the theater. Pink Hair said, you could take both. Silence. I guess I could ask Abed about signing it to you, especially if you buy two. Petra said, I assume you've got some stretch on the price. Well, we could give 10% courtesy. We always get 20% courtesy. On this, we were thinking more like 25. Pink Hair said, I guess I could call the owner. You guys look like serious collectors. Eric swiveled, turned robot eyes on her. Petra thought the girl would swoon. 150, he said. Sure, great. Petra said, when can we meet the artist? That's the thing. I don't know. Let me try to arrange it. If you leave a deposit, we'll leave you 50, said Eric, producing two 20s and a 10. Pink took the money. Great. I'll take your number and let you know. I'm Xenia, turning it into a question, as if unsure of her own identity. Vera, said Petra, arching an eyebrow as she scrawled her cell number. This is Al. Vera and Al. Great, said Pink Hair. You won't regret it. I think one day Abed's going to be famous. Back on Lancashire, strolling north along with the Saturday throng, Eric said, Al and Vera. Cause we're silky smooth. He smiled. Petra said, you're very good. At what? Acting. Then I could get a job as a waiter. A beat. Provide us some income. She gripped his arm harder. You got the military cushion, and once you get